Chapter 9, Summarizing the Learnings of the White Belt Certification Program. Let us now summarize our learnings in this White Belt Certification Program. We understood the importance of quality. We learned the different definitions of quality as given by the quality gurus. We also learned why quality is important for sustaining the business. We then looked at the history of Six Sigma. What is Six Sigma was our next topic, and we understood the definition of Six Sigma from various perspectives, such as Six Sigma as a philosophy, Six Sigma as a set of tools, Six Sigma as a methodology, Six Sigma as matrix, among others. We then learned the different phases of a Six Sigma project. It was in the form of the DMAC model. DMAC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. We then spent some time to understand the typical roles of individuals in a Six Sigma project. We also learned about the primary responsibilities of a white belt. We then spent a lot of time to understand the 7 basic tools of quality. These tools include process maps, check sheets, histograms, Pareto charts, fishbone diagram, 5-eye analysis, and run charts. We then learned the concepts of lean, value-added and non-value-added activities, and Kaizen.